chart with hopes and stars, from rain-soaked nights to rising spars. Spun tall tales till they came true. Look at us now, sky's got nothing on this crew. Each chart with hopes and stars, from rain-soaked nights to rising spars. I spun tall tales till they came true. Look at us now, sky's got nothing on this crew. Flames remember every scar, with fire sweeter under shooting stars. I never dreamed I'd be this brave, but families to wave I crave. Fireworks over Grand Line skies, lighting up our wild goodbyes. To fear, to doubt, to yesterday, we burn it bright and sail away. Dreams like sparks we chase as one, falling stars we ride and run, hand in hand through every climb, hearts ablaze in Grand Line time. Turned another page, a tale of peace, of pain, of rage. But I built dreams that fly, not fall, with steel and soul and super call. Still one piece we haven't seen, but this right here, this is my dream. One saw firework explodes, echoing like a heartbeat. Fireworks over Grand Line seas, carving trails through destiny. From broken docks to thrones unknown, we sail as kings of hearts we've grown. No map can hold what we become. We are the flame, we are the drum. Through every battle, storm and climb, we shine like fireworks over Grand Line. But that was beautiful. Best seller ever. Let's go find what's next.